Good morning, one and all. I am Professor S.S. Yadav. In this semester, I will teach you numerical and statistical method. Okay. First, we will see the what is the syllabus, why this syllabus is included in your syllabus. Okay. Step by step, we will see. Before going on that subject, the last 2015 pattern, the name of this subject is numerical and NMO, numerical method and optimization. But in 2019 pattern, the name of the subject is numerical and statistical methods. Okay. The code of that subject is 302041. Okay. What about the teaching scheme? You have given the 3 hours per week theory lecture and 1 hour per week one tutorial is included. Okay. You have the credit system, theory having the 3 credits and tutorial having 1 credit. What about the examination scheme? And in this syllabus, see there are 2 examination, in semester examination and end semester examination. In semester examination having 30 marks and end semester examination having 70 marks weightage. And also you have given the term works for 25 marks. Okay, all of you getting? This is the overview of the marking scheme and credits. Say we'll see the first course contents. There are 6 units are included in your syllabus. Uh, all these are the mathematical parts. Already you have learned in the M3 subject, but here we'll study application wise. Okay, they are specifically mentioned in your syllabus. You will get the examples in the examination on the application basis. Before going on that, see the course contents. First unit is given on roots of equation and simultaneous equation. Okay, we required the 7 hours to complete that first unit. In the roots of equation, they are including the 2 methods. First is a bracketing method. It is also called as a interpolation method, or second is a Newton-Raphson method. In bracketing method, we assume there are two initial guesses in such a way that the root lies between these two guesses. Okay, means we are restrict the root. That's why it is called as a bracketing or interpolation method. Then Newton-Raphson method is including in the first part of the first unit, and second parts they have given the solution of simultaneous equation. In that solution of simultaneous equation, there are you have given the different method: Gauss elimination method, then partial pivoting method, Gauss Seidel method, Thomson algorithm for tridiagonal matrix. Okay, with this again we want to the draw the some flow chart. Okay, they have given the flow chart for the first unit, second unit and third unit also. Okay, we want to the draw this flow chart. If your exam is offline, then in the examination you will get the flow chart also. Okay, we'll see the one by one. Where is the application of that? We'll see the details when we study the first unit. Then see the second is a numerical solution of differential equation. Okay, how to solve that differential equation? Okay, there are you have learned the I think partial differential equation and ordinary differential equation. There are different methods to solve that differential equation. Taylor series method is there, Euler's method is there, Runge-Kutta method is there. This method is given fourth order. Then simultaneous equation using for the Runge-Kutta second order method. Both order method is given second order and fourth order. Okay. Then say in partial differential equation there is a finite difference method is given. This is the again simple Laplace method. You have studied the Laplace, right? Laplace in the M3 subject. Okay. In if you have seen in the science and engineering, most of the phenomena and fundamentals laws are explained with the help of that differential equations, right? We have seen in the our core subject Newton's law is there, okay. Then some laws is given in the fluid mechanics. Bernoulli's equation is there, okay. That differential equation that describe the changes in the state of the that system, okay. They express the relationship between the variable based on differential calculations, okay. When this differential equation contains all the derivative with respect to the single variable, okay, then it is called as a ordinary differential equation. We have seen in the mathematics that d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 0. That is the simple equation. When you find out the according to the law of the motion, the velocity v of moving the body is given by f is equal to m into dv by dt. There we can use that partial differential equation or ordinary differential equations. We'll use that when you solving the numerical. Then next unit is given on the numerical integration. Okay, integration part you have seen. They are including the numerical integration for the 1D. Trapezoidal rule is there. Samson's 1/3 rule is there. Samson's 3 by 8 rule is there. Gauss quadrature 2-point and 3-point method are including in the numerical integration. In the double integration again, if you have learned the trapezoidal rule and Simpson's 1/3 rule in the 1D, then easily you can find out in the double integration trapezoidal rule and Simpson's 1/3 rule for the double integration. Okay. Then next is you have given the curve fitting and regression analysis. This first part, this first three units from the NM subject they are taken. Okay, numerical method and optimization. But that second part, unit number 4, unit number 5, and unit number 6, they are newly defined in your syllabus. First is a curve fitting and regression analysis. Curve fitting, there is a you have given the different techniques to find out the curve fitting and regression analysis. Okay, they have given the different power equation, then exponential equation and quadratic equation. You have learned that quadratic equation. Okay, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You will get the two different value for that x. Okay, similar way, if you have given the power of that equation is 4 or 5, it is difficult to the find out that value of x. Then how to find out that value? You have to use the curve fitting or least square technique first order. Okay, means you will get the maximum points on that graph. Okay, then you have to choose that curve. You have to choose that curve. Those curve are fit for that equation. Okay, again second part is given the regression analysis. Okay, there you have given the different regression analysis for the linear, also non-linear or multiple polynomial regression is given. We'll see the details when you solve the numericals on the unit number 4. Unit number 5, there is a statistics. They are including the statistics. You have find out the mean, median, and mode in the engineering mathematics subject. Same thing here. You have to find out that the tendency, central tendency, how to measure that central tendency with the help of mean, with the help of median and mode. Okay, means also you can use the standard deviation is there. Okay, standard error you can find out, you can find out the variance, you can study the range. Okay, that things are included in the statistics. Okay, statistics, we will see the details. Then unit number 6, probability and linear algebra. This is the last unit. You know the how to calculate the probability. Okay, they have given the different theorems to find out that probability, or different methods are included. Okay, there is a geometric, uniform, exponential, binomial, or that techniques are included to find out the probability. In linear algebra, they have given the review of matrix operation, vector and vector space, and linear mapping are included. This is your syllabus. We'll see the details one by one. Okay, when you going on the unit 1 to unit 6. Then see which book you can refer. You can we have the different books in our library. In the textbooks, they have given the chapra book. You can use that book. Okay. Also, we have the gravel. Already you have used that for the mathematics, differential equation and all these things. Okay. You can choose any one book. You can take from the library. Reference book, you have given the 6 reference book. Okay. But in that reference book, some parts are covered and some parts are not covered. Okay, I will give the details which unit is given in which reference book. You can use the Hopman numerical method for engineering and science CRC express book. We have that. Also, yes, Chand book we have numerical methods. Okay, you can use it. And web references are given. There are NPTEL video are given, or NPTEL PPT are given. Okay, you can see that PPT or video. Then see the next part is the term work part. Okay, there is a list of tutorials how to cover that list of tutorial or term work. Term work shall consist of they have making 3 different groups. In the first group, a group, any 3 programs using suitable programming language. Guys, we are using here MATLAB software. Okay, you have learned different softwares in your syllabus up to SE. Okay, you have using the AutoCAD software. You have to use the again 3D software, CATIA software. But here is a we are using the MATLAB software. MATLAB is nothing but the high performance language for technical computing. Okay, means it is an interactive system whose basic data element is an array. Okay, we will get the solution in array. MATLAB was originally written in order to provide easy access to matrix software developed. Okay, which together represent this software. MATLAB stand for Matrix Laboratory. Remember that. MATLAB stand for the Matrix Laboratory and is a numerical computing environment and fourth generation programming language. Okay, that developed by the MathWorks. Okay, we have the MATLAB software. We will use that MATLAB. What is the application of that MATLAB? This is the math and computing. Also, we can develop the algorithm. Also, we can modeling and simulation and prototyping. Also, we can use for the data analysis. Okay, statistics part is given. Exploration and visualization. Okay, and last is the scientific and engineering graphics. Okay, there are some advantages of the MATLAB software. It is easy to learn. Okay, then you have getting one code. That code is optimized to relatively quick when performing the metric operation. It may be have like a calculator. You can use as a calculator or as a programming language. Okay, then this MATLAB does have the some object oriented elements. We'll see the details when you using the MATLAB software. In the group A, see you have given the there are different units: roots of equation, simultaneous equation, ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation, and numerical integration. Out of that 5, we have to choose any 3 programs using the MATLAB software. Okay. Then again group B, again they have given the here four different units. Okay, out of that three 4 units we want to the choose any three. Okay, again you have to use the suitable programming. We are using the same curve fitting using the least square technique. Regression analysis is there, determine the statistical measure and probability distribution. Again we use to draw the different types of the curve with the help of excel also. Okay, and group C is mandatory. You have given the one mini project, that is the compulsory, yeah? One program based mini project using mechanical engineering application. Okay, you have to take any one application. Okay, and use that or ready the program for that application and run this program in any one software. Okay, or you have to make the equation for that application. Okay, and they have given the tutorial shall be mandatory conducted in the computer laboratory, because we require the computer when you when you type the programming in the different software, then we want to need the computer. Okay, we will complete that task in the term work. Then next one, this is the guidelines they have given how to implement unit wise. Okay, see there is one meeting held with the help of chairman. Okay, we have discussed that points. Unit 1, you have given the roots of equation and simultaneous equation. There is a examination scheme. In semester examination you will get the 15 marks question on the unit number 1. Okay, uh, already we have seen in bracketing methods for roots of equation. In that there are two methods again, bisection method and regular policy method to be taught. Okay, we'll see that two methods. Okay, the method should be taught for the both accuracy and iteration. Okay, when you solving that numerical, then we'll get they have given the accuracy, they want suppose point not one accuracy, then we'll solve that example uh, up to that accuracy point not one. Okay, and also sometimes you have given we want to the find out the number of iteration up to that means accuracy. Again, if you have, they are not given the accuracy, then we want to the check the same value we are getting in the first and second iteration or before that iteration. Okay, then we'll stop the solution. In the simultaneous equation, numericals to be asked up to the 4 variables. Okay, there are number of variables. They will ask the numerical only up to the 4 variables. And application based problems are recommended in the examination. Already I have told you will get the application based problem in the examination. Okay, they will ask only the application based problem. Okay, they have given the one application. Okay, that application based problem they will ask. Okay, all of you getting what I told? Yes. Then see last is a flowchart can be asked in the examination only in offline mode. If there is a examination in offline mode, then they will ask the flowchart. Okay, otherwise they are not asked the flowchart in the online examination. Remember that this is the guidelines are given. Then unit number 2, numerical solution of differential equation. Again in semester examination you will get the 15 marks from this unit. Then again if application based problem are recommended in the examination, and same thing is there, flowchart can be asked in the examination only in offline mode, not for online mode. Okay, so guys you have to concentrate for in semester examination on the first two units, unit number 1 and unit number 2. Hence you will get the 30 marks from the unit number 1 and unit number 2. And remaining unit, see how to dividation of that mark. Unit number 3 is numerical integration. You will get the total 70 marks question. Unit number 4, curve fitting and regression analysis. You will get the 18 marks question on the unit number 4. Unit number 5 is statistics. You will get the 17 marks question is there. And unit number 6, probability and linear algebra, again you will get the 18 marks question. From the this 18, 18, 36 and 34, you will get the 70 marks, right? Means this 30 marks from the INSEM examination and this 70 marks from the unit number 4 to 6. This is the 100 marks. Okay. For the end SEM examination, you have to only study the that 4 unit number 3, unit number 4, 5 and 6. Clear? Yes, good. Then next, see what is the course objective? Why we learn that subject, or why university is included this subject in your syllabus? What is the reason? First, you have to understand the application of system of equation. Okay. Whatever units are included in your syllabus, you have to know uh, how to use that application for the given proper system and solve the mechanical engineering application. If you have given the, suppose for using Newton's law, or we have seen the example of the motions, okay, how to run that application with the help of that system or any system. You have to choose the correct application and understand that application, okay, how to use. Then second is apply the differential equation, solve the application in the domain of fluid mechanics and structural. Okay, they have given the some application already. I have told you have to apply that differential equation. For that application, they have specific fluid mechanics and structural. Means how many load is applied. You have to calculate with the help of differential equation, or what is the flow of the water, or what is the flow of the fluid. You have to calculate that value with the help of differential equation from the unit number 2. Then third is learn the numerical integration technique for engineering application. Okay, you have to learn numerical integration technique for the engineering application. Sometimes you have given the electrical application, then how to solve the given numerical with the help of integration. How to solve the given numerical on integration. Okay, you have to learn that numerical integration techniques for the engineering application. Then you have to compare the system behavior for the experimental data. Okay, whatever you have find out the solution with the help of analytical method, or again you have to using the different software, that data you have to compare the experimental data. Okay, actual experiment. When you doing the actual experiment, for example, we are testing the steel rod on the UTM machine. Okay, that theoretically you have calculate with the help of formulas and different things. Okay, but when you doing the practical, at that time you will get the different reading. That you have to compare the both reading. Okay, that thing you have to learn from this unit. Then again next is a interrupt the statistical measure for the quantitative data. Okay, statistical measure for quantitative data means for example, suppose I had tell you go to the workshop and check the temperature of each lathe machine when you that machine on in working. Okay, at that time you will get the lots of the data. Suppose we have the 100 machine, you will get the 100 reading. Okay, that data you have to manage the systematically. You have to manage the systematically. That thing is given in statistics. That thing given in statistics means number of you are getting the quantitative data, how to visualize or how to manage that data systematically. That thing we'll learn in the statistics. Okay, and last is a analyze data set using probability theory and linear algebra. You have to analyze that data set using the probability theory, different theorems using the probability theory and linear algebra. This is the course objective. Okay, what is the course outcome? When you learn all these things from unit number 1 to unit number 6, then what you will get? Okay, on completion of this course, you will learn, okay, to first is a solve system of equation using direct and iterative numerical method. You can able to solve the equations using the direct and iterative numerical method. Also, you can able to estimate the solution for differential equation using the numerical techniques. Okay, you can you will be able to develop the solution for engineering application with numerical integration. Also, you will be able to design and create a model using the curve fitting and regression analysis. Okay, then also you can apply the statistical knowledge or techniques for quantitative data analysis. And last is a demonstrate the data using concept of the probability and linear algebra. Okay, that's 6 CO you will get when you studied the unit number 1 to 6. CO means course outcome. Okay, what is the outcomes of that? You have to know why this subject is learned and what is the outcome. Also, you can learn the new thing, new software, MATLAB software. Okay. Also, you will be able to the analyze the research problem. Okay. You will be able to use the mathematical solver. Okay, you will be able to the use appropriate numerical method to solve the complex numericals. Okay, or you can solve the mechanical engineering problems when you learn all these things. Okay, all of you getting what is the course outcome? Okay, this is the lecture number 1, introduction to the numerical and statistical method. Okay, we'll see in the next lecture that introduction of the numerical and statistical method. Today we'll stop here. Next lecture we'll start the unit number 1. Okay, thank you.